Welcome to YouTube channel. Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today we discuss the topic is hardware necessary support to operating system. This topic is taken by Finelayer MPCS. Services of operating system. A program that controls the execution of applications of programs and interface between applications and hardware. Here, convenience, efficiency, ability to evaluate the operating system. Here, see the one diagram is there. In this diagram, the application programs and applications program interface, application binary interface. What is binary? So computer cannot understand the input English language. It can understand the only bit bytes language. So one bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits, and megabytes, terabytes. Uh, so this is the storage capacity of computers and instruction set architectures. Here, application programs and the library utilities and operating system. This is the interface between application programs and the CPU hardware. Here, see the is the upper side is the software and downside is the hardware. Already we discussed by previous classes the definition of software and hardware. Software is a set of programs. So hardware is a physical component of the computer is called hardware. So software is, it was divided into two types, that is the system software and application software. So the system software is the, for example, operating system. So without operating system we cannot run the computers. Already we discussed in the previous classes. So which types are there? Single user and multi-user operating system. Okay. So here this diagram shows the application programs and the library utilities, and the middle of the operating system is there, the execution of hardware. Here see the memory translation and the main memory and the input output devices. So what is input output devices? Keyboard, mouse and the monitor, printer, scanner. So these are the input and output devices. Main memory, so it is available for the memory two types, primary memory and the secondary storage. Second storage memory. Primary is the RAM and ROM. RAM is the random access memory. So secondary storage is the hard disk and pen drive, compact disk, CD drive, floppy drive. So these are the secondary storage devices. So the memory translations, in this, the library utilities, application programming and interfaces, application binary interfaces. What are the application programs? Just we installed and we copied the programs, just like we take the application program is MS Office and database management system and hospital software. So the different categories, different offices prepared by the our own software, because of utilities of their different organizations. So the software program prepared by software engineers, the hardware engineers doing the only for the physical components repair, uh, and any problem rectified the problem, solve the hardware engineers. So operating system services basically, so an operating system provides common services to programs and to the user. Program execution. In this, the system must be able to load a and the program into memory and run the program. So that is called program execution. Just we take the one example. The C programming is there. The C programming software we copied on the C drive. Automatically we open the start and search for the C drive. Search for C drive. Search for C drive. Automatically display on the screen. So the C program open and we do the different types of programs and the addition of two numbers, and we compile the program, and the errors will be displayed on the screen. The errors will be rectified, and again we compile the program. The errors are zero. Finally we get the answer. And next one, input output operations. A program may be require input output which may involve a file for and specific devices, means input output devices. The keyboard, mouse and output is the monitor. Special functions may be desired for and the efficiency and protection. Users usually cannot control input and output devices directly. The operating system must provide a means to do input output devices. File system manipulation. What is a file system manipulation? The file system manipulation is in the system particulars insert the different types of programs to read and write files and directories. They also need to create and delete and them by name and search for given file and list file information. Finally, some of operating systems include permissions and the management to allow or access to files or directories based on the file ownership. Many operating systems provide a variety of file system. What is file system? File system is the we can store the information and create the information, delete the information, and name and search for the information. The system and sometimes to allow the personal choice and sometimes to provide specific features and performance characteristics. This is called file system manipulation or controlled access to files. And next one, communications. So what is communication? Process needs to exchange information with another process. Such communications may occur between the process that are executing one same computer or between process that are executing on different computer system tied together by a computer network. Communications may be and implemented via shared memory in which two or more processors read the write to shared section or memory, and message passing in which packets of the information in the predefined formats are moved between and the process by operating system. Next one, the error detection. What is error detection? The operating system needs to be detecting and correcting errors. Errors may be occurs in the CPU and memory hardware, input output devices, and for each type of errors the operating system should be take the action to ensure correct the and the constant and computing. This is called error detection. And next one, resource allocation. multiple users or multiple jobs running at a time. At the same time, resources must be allocated by each of them. The operating system manages many different types of resources. Some maybe have the special allocation. There may also be and the routines to allocate printers, USB and the storage devices and the other peripheral devices. So this is called and the resource allocation. And next one is the accounting. What is accounting? We want to keep the track which users use, how much and what kinds of computers resources. The record keeping may be used for accounting so that users can be billed. So that is called, just like we take the one example of the accounting in tally and debtors, creditors, this type of transactions doing in this accounting software package. Simply for accounting usage and statistics. Next one is the protection of security. The operating system, the owner of information stored in the multi-users or the networked computer systems may want to control use of the information. When the several separate processes execute concurrently, it should not be and the possible for one process to inter interfere with the other or with the operating system itself. The protection involves ensuring the all access systems resources is controlled. The security of the system from outside of the also important, such as just like we take the owner information stored in the multiple multi users, the network computer system maybe want to control. This is called protection of security. Key and interfaces. The instruction set architecture, that is called shortcutly ISA, and application binary interfaces ABI. So application programming interfaces API. The role of and the operating system. A computer is a set of resources for the movement, storage and the processing of data. A computer is a set of resources for the moving and storage. The role means the operating system work for the main storage and processing. Storage means we can store the some information, database storage and the information of, just like we take the college students information and process the data means daily and updation of the degree students are there, first year, second year and final year. Final year is the outgoing batch and next first year batch is the coming, and we can change the information, updation of the information, that is called storage and processing of data. The operating system responsible for the managing these resources. Operating system as software function in the same way ordinary computer software. So already we discussed by the definition of the software. The software is the set of programs, the net set, what is called LAN, WAN, MAN. These are the called. So in that is the internet definition. Software is the set of programs. Program is the set of instructions. So if the program should for programs and execute by the processor. Friendly and the control and must be depend the processor to allow it to again control. Here see the one diagram is there. Computer system. Here the memory management software and the input output control programs a new data. Here input output controls the processor and the processor computer system and the input output devices. So what are the input output devices? Are there printers, keyboards and the digital cameras. These are the input output devices. So storage operating system programs data. Here operating system software is the its must. Without operating system we cannot operate the computers. It is the interface between the and system and user, that is called operating system. Here some of the different types of programs are there, and data means we can store the different types of database. And evolution of operating systems. So in this, already we discussed by the previous classes what is the evolution, which types are there. A major operating system will evolve over time for a number of reasons: hardware upgrades and new types of hardware, new services, and the fixes. So hardware upgrade means the generation of computers. Five generations are there. Now we are in the fifth generation of computers. The hardware, first generation is the different, second generation is the different, generation is the different, because the computer and the peripherals changed by generation. Automatically the hardware is the upgradation. So we take the one laptop, the what is devices are there, keyboard are there. So we take this we want and take some problems are there and rectify the problem, that is called hardware upgradation. And the new types of hardwares. Evolution of operating system. Storage include, so here serial processing and the multiple batch systems, simple batch systems, time sharing systems. Serial processing and the earliest computers, no operating system. Here serial processing means no operating system. Programmers interacted directly with the computer hardware. Computer runs from a console with the display, lights, and the toggle switches, some of input and output printers. Users have the access to and the computer in the serial scheduling, step time. So this is a serial of processing. Simple batch systems. Early computers were very expensive, important to maximize process and the utilize. The monitor use no longer has the direct access to process, and the job is submitted to computer and operators who batches them together and places them on an input devices. Program branches back to the monitor when the finished. Monitor point view. So the monitor controls the sequence of events. Uh, Resident monitor to software always memory. Monitor reads in job and gives controls. Job returns control to monitor. Here one diagram is there. Interrupt processing, this is the monitor here. Interrupt processing and the device drivers, jobs uh, sequencing, and the control language interrupt, and boundary user program area. So this is the monitor point view. Next one, process point view. The processor executes instruction from the memory containing the monitor and executes the instructions to the user program until it encountered an ending error condition. Control passed to a job means processor is fetching and executing instructions in a user program. Control is returned to the monitor meant the processor is fetching and executing instructions from the monitor program. Desirable hardware features. What is the desirable hardware features? Features are the memory protection and the timer and the privileged and the interrupts. Modes of operation: user mode and kernel mode. Already we discussed yesterday class of kernel. What is kernel? Kernel is a bridge between user and system. User program executes user mode. Create of memory or the protected user access. Next one, the certain instructions may not be executed. Kernel mode. Monitor executes in the kernel mode and the privileged instructions may be executed. Protected area of memory may be accessed. Simple batch system. Simple batch system overhead. The processor time allocates between execution of user programs, execution of the monitor. So each and every program we execute in the we take the keyboard and execute the program. The program will be displayed on the monitor. The process time alters the between execution of user programs and sacrifice. Some main memory is now given over to the monitor. Some processor time is concerned by the monitors. And despite overhead, this simple batch system improves the utilization of computers. Multi-programmed batch systems. The processor is often idle even with automatic job sequence. Input-output devices are slow the compared to processor. Multi-programmed means in this one system we opened for the different types of applications at a time. That is called multi-programmed batch systems. Read one record from file and execute the 100 instructions. Write on record file. So the total execution and the percent of CPU utilization 1 by 31. System utilization example. So read and execute, write. These are the different types of works are doing in the CPU and display on the monitor. Uniprogramming. Program A run and the wait for run and wait. So the time is and the uniprogramming. So it was executed by the one program by one program. The processor spends a certain amount of time executing until it reaches an input output instructions. It must then wait until that input output instructions and concludes before processing. And next one, another one, the multi-programming, the program A, program B and combined. So program A display on the screen in the display on the CPU central processing unit first program and wait for second program and combined run A B at a time. The time is taken multi-programming within the two programs, multi-program with two programs. The must enough memory to hold to operating system uh, resident of monitor and one user program. When one job needs to wait for input output, the processor can be switched to the other job which is likely not waiting for input output. Multi-programming. So here we will take the first one program and we will take the second two programs. Here three programs execute at a time. Program 1, program 2, program 3. So wait for program 1, wait for program 2, wait for program 3. The and executes the combined programs A, B, C at a time. The time multi-programming with the programs and the multi-programming also known as multitasking. So the multi-programming also known as memory is the expanded held 3, 4 or more programs and switch among all them. And the multi-programming example, we take the one example, types of job 1, job 2 and job 3, heavy computer, heavy input output, heavy input output and the duration 5 minutes and second job is the 15 minutes and the third job is the 10 minutes. The memory required 50 MB, 100 MB, 75 MB and the need disk no, 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 yes, no, yes, no and the terminal needs to printers no, no, no. This sample of program execution attributes. And effects on the resource of utilization. Uniprogramming and the multiprogramming. Uniprogram means single program, multiprogram means more than one program. The processor use 20%, the multiprogramming use process 40%, and the memory use 33%, and here multiple program uh, use memory 67%. The disk use 33%, and here multiprogramming 67%. Printer use 33% and multiprogram 67%. Uh, LS seed time 30 minutes, estimated time 30 minutes, here 15 minutes. So uniprogram take the very large time, but multiprogramming take the low time 15 minutes. And throughput 6 jobs per 1 hour, 12 jobs per hour. And means response time 18 minutes, 10 minutes. It's take long time, it's take low time. Effect of the multi-programming resource utilization. Here diagram is there. CPU central processing unit, UNIS central processing, multiple central processing units, CPU, memory, disk, and the terminal, printer, and the job history. Here uniprogram, multi-programming system. So time sharing system can be used to handle multiple interactive jobs. Processor time shared among multiple users. Multiple users access the system through terminals. With the operating system interrelative, the execution of each user and the program in a short burst and the quantum of computation. Batch multiprogramming versus time sharing. Here uh, principal objective and the batch multiprogramming, time sharing. Batch multiprogramming maximize processor use, time sharing minimize response time, and the source are directives so to operating system. Job control language, commands provided with the job, commands entered at the job. Batch programming and time sharing. Compatible time sharing system, CTSS, one of the first time sharing operating system. Time slicing, system clock generates interrupt set, developed MIT by group known as a project Mac, 02 seconds, and the ran on a computer with 32,036 bit words main memory used. Compatible time sharing. You see the diagram is there, and the major achievements. Operating systems are among the most complex pieces of the software even developed. Major advanced in the development in the process and the memory management, information protection, security, and scheduling, and the resource management system structure. Process. Fundamental to structure of operating system. Program execution, program execution, an instance of a running a program, the entity that can be assigned to and execute on a processor. A unit of activity characterized a single sequence of thread of execution, a current state, and associated set of system resources. Development of process, the multi-programming batch, time sharing, and the real-time transaction. Causes of errors. So errors, causes of errors: improper synchronization. A program must be wait until the data are available in a buffer. Improper design of and the signaling mechanism can result in a loss or duplication. Failed mutual execution. More than one user or programs attempts to take the user shared resource at the same time. Only one routine at a time allows to perform an upgrade against the file. And the non-determinate program operation. The program execution is interleaved by the processor when the memory is shared. The order in which programs the secured may affect the outcome. Deadlocks. The possible for two or more programs to be hung up to waiting for each other. And components of the process. What is the components? The process contains three components: an executable program, and next one is the associated data need by the program, variables, workspace, buffers, etc. The execution content, process state of the program. The process management, here one diagram is there. The entire state of the process at any instant is contained its constant context, and the new features can be designed and incorporated into the operating system by expanding the context of include any new needed to the features. Here the process and many main memory, process and process index, context data, process code, and the context data, process A, process B. The process index is PC. So typical process implementation. Memory management. What is memory management? The operating system 5 principle. Uh, the storage management. What are they? They are the process isolation and the automatic allocation and the management, support of the modular programming, protection, access control, long term storage. So these five principles are the memory management system. And next one, virtual memory. What is virtual memory? A facility that allows program to addresses memory from logical point of view without regards to amount of main memory physically available. Okay, this main memory is the available for the physically, that is called virtual memory. Conceived to meet the requirement of having multiple users jobs reside in the main memory concurrently. Paging allows process to be comprised of number of fixed and size blocks called pages. Compressed a number of fixed size blocks is called pages. Program references word by meant virtual address. Consists of the page number and offset within the page. Each page may be allocated anywhere in the main memory. Here one diagram is there: main memory, disk. So user program B, A, B in disk, and here memory storage by the B5, A9, A7. So this is the different boxes. Main memory consists of the number of pixel length for the programming execution. The disk is the secondary memory. Disk hold many pixel length pages. here, just like CD drive, pen drive. Here this is the hard disk. Main memory is that just like we take the RAM, ROM. RAM is a random access memory, ROM is the read-only memory. So this is the difference between disk and main memory. Virtual memory concepts. So processor, virtual address, and the memory management unit, and the real address, disk addresses, main memory and the second memory. Here RAM and ROM. Second memory is a compact disk, hard disk, hard disk and pen drive. These are the secondary storage devices. Information protection and security. What is information? What is information? The the nature of the threat concerns and the organization will vary greatly depending on the circumstances and the main issue available and confidentially data integrity. The problem involves controlling access to computer system and the information stored in them, the information protection and security. Scheduling and the resource management. So effect and the frames and the differential respectives. Key responsibility, allocation of peripherals. So thank you. This is the important topic of final year MPC students, services of operating systems. Thank you.